Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply add hyperlink to your existing PDF. Very easy. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your browser. Then you have to come to the search engine right here. What you need to do is to type in PDF, escape, then you press enter. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the first result right here, pdfescape.com. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on free online. Then from here, click on upload PDF to the escape PDF. Then right here, make sure you click on choose a file. Then select your PDF file, click on open. So like so, it's going to process the PDF file in a few minutes and it's going to load it up into the website page. So let's check it out. All right, so next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. These are the PDF right here, and you have to locate where you need to add the hyperlink. Okay, so first thing we need to come to the top right here to insert text. We click on here. We make sure we click on text. Then right here, we have to drop the text box right here. So I'm going to make a type right here. So click here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to press Ctrl A just to highlight. I can come to the top here and make it bold. Then I can come here and change the font style to something like this. So next thing I need to do is to go back to the top right here, and I'm going to click on here again. I'll make sure I click on link. Then I have to draw my link shape all over. To click here right here. Then this is going to pump up, and this is where we need to enter our URL. So right here we need to enter the URL. You can see the example right here. So I have to come here. I will simply highlight, I will press Ctrl C to make a copy of this URL. I will come here, then I will press Ctrl V to paste it into this particular web address page. Next thing I need to do is to make sure URL is checked, and then I'll click on OK. Boom, that's simple as that. So by the time I click here, it load up to this particular website that we just copied the URL. So automatically, any link you had here is going to automatically redirect you to that particular link. So basically, you can simply come back to the page right here and download your PDF file. It's as simple, straight, and like that. And for you to download your PDF, just come to this particular button right here, click on download, like so, and then in a few minutes, your download document is going to prepare, just like what you see from the top right here. Okay. Now we can simply open the PDF. Then I have to look for the page where I show click here. So by the time I click here, it automatically redirects to the website, and see it as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add hyperlink to your existing PDF document. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.